Okay, good morning guys. We have an unboxing today. It's Saltiga 15 HL SJ. Ayan. Unbox na natin. Okay. Ayan. Okay, what's in the box is of course the receipt, Saltiga sticker para sa sasakyan, and then we have SLP Plus. Next is natin. I think this is a rail pouch. Ayan guys, rail pouch. At nandito na rin yung kanyang bagong accessories. Ito guys, hindi ko pa alam para saan to. Okay, ito yung bagong accessories niya. And ito yung road. Saltiga 25 ang pangalan nito 15 SJ. Ayan, take a look guys, ang ganda, tsaka sobrang kaanyaw. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and keep on fishing.